Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all for class 7 maths. As you have learned integers, this is the last topic of the integers, that is division. Division of integers. As you learn many laws in multiplication of integers, here also few. Nothing much, only here what you should know is any positive integer, when it is divided with a negative integer, the answer is negative. Okay? Any negative integer divided by a positive integer or a positive integer divided by a negative integer, the answer is negative. That is minus 5. What will be the answer here? That will be minus 5. Then coming to the next here, if both the integers are negative, what happens? It will become positive. Okay? That is nothing but plus into minus is minus. Do you remember the signs? What I told you? Plus into minus is minus. Now here, when both are negative, the answer changes into positive. That is minus into minus will become plus. That is minus 36 divided by minus 4 or 36 divided by 4. Both the answers are same. That is plus 9. As we saw in the last video, that is plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is minus. Now the next here, any integer when it is divided by 0, the answer is 0. Okay, that is 0 divided by 24 is 0. Similarly, any integer multiplied by 1, the answer is the integer itself. Okay, 14 divided by 1 will be 14. But once if it is negative 1, that is minus 1 comes here, the answer changes into minus. Okay, 14 divided by 1 is 14. 14 divided by minus 1 will become minus 14. That is plus into minus will become minus. Now coming to the problems here, what you have on the page 25 from your textbook. Once they say if it is a profit, you should understand that is plus. You are getting a profit, it is plus. When it is loss, it means minus. When you are securing the marks, it is plus. When it is deduction, when it is removed, it is minus. That you have to understand when you are reading the worked examples. Now here, a shopkeeper earns a profit of rupees 1 by selling 1 pen and incurs a loss of 40 paise per pencil while selling pencils on her old stock. First question here, he is asking, in a particular month she incurs a loss of rupees 5 in this period and she sold 45 pens. How many pencils did she sell in this period? So how do we write the answer? Whenever we are working the worked examples, we have to start with the statements. Now here what is the statement? Profit earned by selling 1 pen is rupees 1, that is plus 1. Okay, that will be plus 1. Once it is profit plus loss minus, therefore profit earned by selling 45 pen will become plus 45. Total loss given rupees 5, loss is minus, that is minus 5. Now what it is here? Profit earned plus loss incurred is equals to total loss. Whatever he has learned, she has earned the profit and the loss is equals to total loss. What is the total loss here now? Total loss is given there, right? What? Minus 5 and minus 45. That is nothing but minus 5 is the total loss. Profit is on is 45. Minus of minus will become what? Addition, but you have to give the negative sign. That is 50 minus 50. Now minus 50 rupees it is. Actually the pencils are in paise. Okay, pencils are in paise. So convert that rupees into paise. 1 rupee is 100 paise. 50 rupees is 5000 paise. Okay, as you can see in the textbook also there, loss incurred by selling one pencil is equals to 40 paise, which we write it as minus 40. Why minus? Because it is loss. Then, so the number of pencils sold, how many pencils now she might have sold? That is minus 5000 divided by minus 40. Minus 40 is for one pencil. Once you do the division for how many times now, you can do the division and check, right? The answer will become 125. Why it is plus or minus here now? What will be the answer? Both are negative means it will change into positive. Minus into minus will become plus. Therefore, she sold 125 pencils. Clear? Similarly, you can do for the next. It is already done for you in the textbook. That is, the next month also it is been given there. So what you have to do is, similarly you should do all the exercise, the full exercise 1.4 in your classwork along with the worked examples. Okay, thank you.